BART was one of the first organizations to test Shake Alert 1.0 and since then has been slowing or stopping trains in advance of expected shaking for a couple of years.
I feel like it's beneficial when it comes to commuters. There definitely hasn't been an earthquake as big as the Loma Prieta one.
BART's entrance, BART is the first public transportation to use Shake Alert 2.0 as a protocol. More has to be done about it.
The protocol provides up to 10 seconds of advance warning that the ground will begin to shake, giving people enough time to drop, cover, and hold on or take other protective action.
In a situation where an earthquake would hit, you wouldn't know what to do.
An official Shake Alert notification app is still in the works as of now.
The app will tell you, hey, there's an earthquake happening. That's your cue.
Shake Alert 2.0 was developed by the U.S. Geological Survey, University of California, University of Washington, and University of Oregon in partnership with